Nakaluto na si nanay ng pagkain. Mom has cooked some food. Nakakain ka na ba ng moras? Have you ever eaten mulberry? Kinain na ni John ang pagkain. John has eaten the food. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa Mexico. I have never been to Mexico. Nakapasok na siya sa restaurant. He has entered a restaurant. Nakatulog na ang bata sa kahihintay. The child has fallen asleep in anticipation. Nakasulat na ako ng 5 liham. I have already written 5 letters. Hindi ka pa nakakauwi sa inyo. You haven't returned home yet. Ilang taon na silang hindi nakatira dito. They haven't stayed here for years. Nakabili na sila ng bagong bahay. They have bought a new house. Nakakakita ka na pala. You can already see. Bakit ganun ang sinasabi niya? Why has she said like that? Nag-agahan na kami. We've already had our breakfast. Napakarami naming tanong. We have asked too many questions. Hindi pa siya natutulog mula kahapon. She hasn't slept since yesterday. Dumagdag na ang timbang ko kahit papano. Somehow, I have gained more weights. Sa palagay ko ay pumasok siya sa trabaho. I think she has gone for work. Gaano katagal ka nang nakatira sa lungsod na ito? How long have you lived in this city? Nakapunta ka na ba sa lugar na ito dati? Have you been in this place before? Sa pagkakatanda ko, marami silang sasakyan. They have had many cars since I can remember. Kararating lang ng nanay ko. My mother has just arrived. Inilagay ko ang pera sa lamesa. I have placed the money on the table. Nagkaroon ng aksidente sa likod ng bahay. There has an accident at the backyard. Nakakainis na ang kanyang ugali. Her attitude is annoying. Sinubukan kong magpapayat. I have tried losing weight. Nakita ko na ang pelikulang iyan. I have seen that movie already. Nakarating na ako sa tuktok. I have made it to the top.